Florida that breeds like such good skaters?
I don't know, the weather or just how hot it is probably just like builds people's minds differently or something, but yeah, I don't know.
I turned pro at 21 in San Francisco. I moved to Miami when I was about 29. I do believe that Miami's already a skate destination as far as like the voice in the industry goes. We just have like a lot of skaters that are from this area that are coming up, and I think that's part of the voice. Jace, I've known through just him and the squad of guys that he skates with, and he's gnarly. I mean, obviously rubber knees, right? He's like the new Jaws, but he's more well-versed than that, so it's sick.
We came here one afternoon, super nervous about it, but when I got up there, I was just like, you know what? We had a video dropping. It's like, all right, let's just do something that's gonna like shock some people. I melon grabbed and just threw away my board, landed on my feet, and I was like, all right, let's not do that again. Second one, I kind of stuck it onto the ground. Third one, I'm pretty sure I broke a board. So now I'm using my friend Dan Lundy's board. That's the one I made it on, and I think it took me about 8 to 10 tries, I'm not sure. But it was a battle, and I knew I had to do it then because I wasn't gonna come back. I've lived here, you know, on and off my whole life. Skate scenes seem to come back. It's pretty cool right now. I really love filming with Ferrari and the Duplex guys. I mean, it's a blast, you know. You don't find that, you know, often where everyone is so motivated, want to do the same thing and make these videos and, you know, just have people see them, literally. We just want everyone to see the skating that's happening in South Florida. It's sick.
They come out here and film their videos. I think they're on volume 4 now or 5. But Zion F showed up with his dad one day, and they were like, yo, we're looking for a coach to teach this kid, and like everyone just pointed at me and Joel. They're like, oh, well, those are the pros. And then he asked me, and I was like, I don't do that. And then I saw Zion's face get so bummed that I was like, yo, man, like I'll roll around with him. Ended up being like really cool. We did like an hour, and I was like, yeah, I'll teach this kid. Like, he's super cool. Now he's like little adult, right? He's like 14, and he rips, and he's got a full career ahead of him.
I grew up in Miami, yeah. I started skating when I was 3. All my siblings got boards or like long boards for Christmas, and then I was just riding it like on the boardwalk at the beach all the time. And then I went to the skate shop and got like a Plan B board, I think. That was like my favorite thing ever. Danny loves skating. He loves everybody in Miami. He teaches all these kids how to like just learn how to skate, and having the patience to like tell them how to do it and like correct them. Danny's done a lot for skating, for sure.
She waxed it? Oh, yeah, you get Oh! Well, she can do it. Oh!
That was like nose blunt.
Third try?
Yes, Shiloh.
That's what I'm talking about. From the moment I had the idea of building a skate park to the moment it was done was probably about 9.5 years. The skate scene, it's so different than when I was younger to now. It's like literally booming. Kids are just getting so good so fast, and it's because of this place. And then that brings more skateboarding to Miami in general. More people visit for skating and skate street. More videos are happening, and so Miami's more on the map than ever, I would say.
I think the more people from Miami that branch out but don't like move away from the Miami skate scene, start adding to it. Like Brian De La Torre moved away when he was a kid, now he's back. Brad Cromer moved here. Now that they're here, I think the voice will grow.
Recently, we've just had a bunch of talented skateboarders just come together and just like the best skating you could possibly imagine just before your eyes all the time.
I think I'll stay in Miami. It means a lot for sure knowing that people from Florida made it and like they're doing so good now, and it pushes you a lot to know that like other people did it and that you can do it too.